Now, let's come to the second recipe. And we have the paste with us right here. So what we'll do is we'll put this paste in a pan, okay? And add our coconut oil. And then, heat for some time, okay? Now, let's do it. After adding in the paste, you add some rosemary leaves, right? As you can see, a handful, right? You add in, then you continue stirring with medium heat, right? Remember, we used coconut oil, pure coconut oil. That is what we used. Remember, I've been using this oil for some time now, and I'll be showing you in the end of this video how my hair has grown. I'll be applying this oil and you will see the growth I have. Onion is amazing for our hair growth and our scalp health. So if you're suffering from dandruffs, those itching, inflammation, infections, molds, please try this oil. And don't forget to watch my previous video where I talked about the oiling mistakes that we do. Make sure to watch that video so that you can do the oiling the right way, right? So that you can see results, okay? Yeah, I'll put the link in the description for you to watch. Let the oil cool. After this, that is when we will squeeze out the oil. Now the oil has cooled and we are putting the oil, the mixture in the satin so that we can squeeze out the oil. I'll be pouring the oil here so that I can store it in a cool place. Okay. I'll be pouring the oil in here. There we go. Now we have the oil right here, our very powerful oil. Now, how do you use this oil? This onion oil, onion rosemary oil. Now, I apply this oil twice a week, okay? Which, after application, I don't always wash my scalp, okay? Because the oil is not irritating on my scalp. So I just let it sit like that. And now I follow my washing routine, my hair washing routine. Normally, when applying this oil, I wash after 2 weeks. I wash my hair after 2 weeks. So I've been using this oil for around six weeks, okay, consistently, twice a week. And I'll be showing you the growth that I have on my scalp. And I'll be applying the oil, right? Yeah. Now, after applying this oil, I follow with a leave-in. This is what I use. It has a lot of water in it, so I love it because water is everything with our hair and scalp. Also, after using the juice, I follow up. After washing my scalp, I follow up with the leave-in treatment because it helps with moisturizing our scalp, because onion tends to dry our hair. Okay, so after every use of the onion, now onion juice, onion oil, you follow with the leave-in treatment because of moisturizing your hair. I washed my hair yesterday because I was planning to do the oiling. Okay, I was planning to do the video and then illustrate how I do it. So I washed my hair yesterday and I'll be showing you how I oil my hair using this onion oil that we've already done. Make sure to watch that video where I talk about the mistakes that we do, the right way to oil our hair and all that. I'll give you a link in the description. Now, because I washed my hair yesterday, I have to moist my hair before applying the oil, right? So I'll be moistening my hair. This pure water. I'll be adding in some water. This is to hydrate my hair and scalp. The scalp was dry. My hair is now hydrated but not damp. Okay, so as you can see, the part that I had lost hair is all grown, as you can see. Can you see? Yeah, yeah, it's all grown. It's very bushy because of using all these oils. Doing the right routines, being very gentle to my hair, right? As you can see, I have a lot of growth. Can you see that? Yeah, yeah, all that is growth, and I'm so happy because of my hair. Can you see? Yeah, I have a lot of growth and some gray hairs. At 44, I deserve to have the grace, right? Yeah, that is how my hair has grown. Can you see? A lot of growth. Look, right? So, when I tell you to use onion oil, I am talking from experience, right? So, let's apply the oil.